everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to quickly create a video using Hailuo AI. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your browser and search for Hailuo AI, this one. And then just click the official link. And then just sign in with your Google account. Like this. And then you will get 300 free credits to start. And if you need more, you can choose a subscriptions. The subscriptions, just choose plan on here. And next on this dashboard, you will see options to generate images and videos. But in this tutorial, we will focus on video generations. Just click on video. And then in here, you will see two options, image to video and text to video. And in this tutorial, let's try filter text to video first. Just tap on it. And then simply just write your prompt in detail, like include the scene descriptions and style and camera angle. Like for example, I will type my prompt like this. Maybe like this. And for the camera angle, you can also choose from this icon, camera angle or camera movements. Just type that you like. And next, just pick the model that you want. And then choose your aspect ratio and the durations. And you can also choose how much the output that you want. And when you're done, just click generate. Like this, let's try to play the video. Looks realistic, right? The video looks so good. Next, if you want to use image to video feature, the process is almost the same. Just upload the image that you want to animate and then type your prompt and then just adjust the settings as before, like this. And that's it. Now you know how to create videos with Hailuo AI in just a few steps. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.